Okay, level 4. The rectangle GHIJ is inscribed in circle K. The area of the rectangle GHIJ is 60x squared and the length of IJ is 5x. What is the probability that the dart will land inside the circle but outside the rectangle? So here is a circle. And then if I have a rectangle inscribed, that just means that the corners are on the circle. This is I-J. And then the area of GHIJ is 60x squared and the length of IJ is 5x. Okay, so if IJ is 5x and the area is 60x squared, remember to find the area of a rectangle, you're going to take one of the sides times the other side, and that's going to give you the area. So that means if I solve for what I called L, or the unknown side, I'm going to get 12x. Okay, so what the question is asking is I want to find the probability that the dart will land inside the circle but outside the square. So I'm going to go ahead and shade in where it's asking for it. Okay, so here's where we write our plan. Area of shaded over area of total. And then to find the area of the shaded, you're going to take the area of the circle minus area of the rectangle over the area of the circle for the total. So now what we want to do, in order to find the area of the circle, we need to know the radius. And like I said in level 3s, whenever you have a rectangle or square inside a circle, go ahead and draw the diameter or the diagonal of the rectangle, because that's going to help you out a lot. So now if I see I've got a right triangle here, and I'm going to do the Pythagorean theorem to figure out what that missing side is. So 5x squared plus 12x squared equals c squared. So this is going to be 25x squared plus 144x squared equals c squared. It's going to be 169x squared equals c squared. And then if I square root both, 169 is a perfect square, and so is x squared. So c is going to be 13x, which means that the radius is going to be 6.5x. So now that I have my radius, I can go ahead and find my shaded region. So it's going to be 6.5x, that's my radius, squared times pi, and then minus the area of the rectangle, which was 60x squared, all over the total area, which was the circle, so 6.5x squared pi. And then I'm just going to go ahead and simplify this. So this is going to be 42.25 pi minus 60x squared. Whoops, I forgot my x squared over here. And then another 42.25 pi x squared. And then since every term has an x squared in it, I can simplify that. So, oops, I don't want to ignore the pi's. The pi should be there, sorry. Pi should be there, I crossed out the wrong thing. So the x squared should go away. And you should be left with 42.25 pi minus 60 over 42.25.